Hello, my name is Akilito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Count on Me by Bruno Mars. So first I'm going to explain the chords, then later I will just sing a song so that you can get how it goes. First, I'm going to teach you how to play chords. First chord you need to know is A minor. Put your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord you need to know is C. With your ring finger on the third fret of the first string. The next chord is D minor. With your point finger on the first fret of the second string. With your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. And with your ring finger on the second fret of third string from bottom. Okay? That's D minor. The next chord is E minor. With your point finger on the second fret of first string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the second string, with your ring finger on the fourth fret of third string. That's E minor. The next chord is F. With your point finger on the first fret of the second string, with your middle finger on the top string of the second fret. That's F. The last chord you need to know is G. With your point finger on the second fret of the third string, with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string, with your ring finger on the third fret of the second string. That's G. Now move on to the strumming patterns of the song. So as an example, I'm gonna use C. So the strumming pattern is like this. The strumming pattern is like this. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just repeat it. So this is how you play the song. Okay? Now move on to the singing part.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it. I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah. You always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it. I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah.
If you like like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.